This is Turkey, Texas, home of Bob Wills, famous singer and songwriter from the 1920s and 30s. This is his hometown. Come on, let's go check it out. We are here in Turkey, Texas at the Turkey, Texas Hotel RV Park. We got in last night, hooked up. You can see behind me connections. All we have going right now is the electrical. I tried doing the water, but the connection wasn't getting a good seal, and I was in a rush to join a reception, so filled up the holding tanks and went to the reception. Also didn't do the sewer, which we have a little bit of a full tank right now. We'll probably try to do that later. But yeah, this is the RV park. There's only 2 other RVs here right now, and it's not bad. Not a lot of shade, but plenty of open space, as you can see behind me. So yeah. Gonna go explore Turkey, Texas today. Quaint little town. See what we can find. When you're in Turkey, the place to be is the Turkey Hotel. It is a rustic hotel, restaurant, and event venue. On the weekends, you can find the locals enjoying live music and cold drinks. You might even find some people dancing in the streets. Hometown hero and king of Western swing, Bob Wills spent most of his early years in Turkey. This small town is still proud of Wills today. You can find a museum and Wills' old tour bus on display. Every April, the town celebrates the Bob Wills Day, a large festival that attracts thousands with a fiddling contest and live music. Turkey was settled in the 1890s. It flourished by being on 2 early roads and the Denver South Plains Railway. The Phillips Petroleum Company from Bartlesville, Oklahoma, established their first gas station in Texas here in 1928. Along with the station, they invested in several major infrastructure projects in and around Turkey. A few miles down the road from Turkey, Texas, you'll find Cap Rock Canyon State Park. It is home of the state bison herd. There are also many miles of hiking trails here. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. We enjoy reading your comments and hearing about your own AFK days. See you next time!